All right, it is hot today, but we're gonna do a little garden tour. We're gonna do an updated little tour. My herb tower is doing well. It is so hot though. My chives are definitely doing things. My dill has already gone to seed. It's fine. We've got the lemon thyme going. We've got the basil going. Parsley, chives. This tower is doing fantastic. We'll come back to this. All right, the raspberries. This one here, I know I need to uncage it still. I think I'll do that probably at the end of this year. We caged them in because of the deer that we have here, but they've expanded, so I don't think we need the cage anymore. But these are the golden raspberries. To me, they're the best. These ones over here are the red raspberries. We've gotten some raspberries this year. It does seem like the birds get them first, which is quite unfortunate, but you know, maybe we'll get these. Maybe these will be in our future. But so these are the raspberries. They have expanded. It's fantastic. I want this whole thing to just turn into raspberries, so that's great. Now we're gonna go over to look at our mushrooms. To the garden that is honestly doing really well this year. I did weed a week ago, but you literally cannot tell that I weeded. You know, it is what it is. But we will start over here. We've got cucumbers that I decided to grow this year. I did not grow a single cucumber last year. I don't think we actually have any that are, you know, baby cucumbers. I don't see, but that's okay. Anyway, we've got the pepper bed, which we've got jalapenos going here. They're really big jalapenos. We have more jalapenos here. Again, really big jalapenos. More jalapenos here, of which I need to just handle our jalapeno situation, clearly. We've got we've got this thing that like creaks. We have shishito peppers, of which I think I'm gonna actually make a video this week on canning shishito peppers like pepperoncinis. We're gonna try that out. We have more shishitos. We have the cayenne peppers, which I think I just need to dry. I need to just pick some of them, dehydrate them, and turn it into like a powder. We have banana peppers over here. A lot of banana peppers, which again, I think I'll probably handle these this weekend. I don't think we have a lot going on this weekend, so I'm gonna handle these. And then all of this, they are all volunteer beans from last year. I did not plant a single bean. And we have beans. Look at them. They're so pretty. I need to pick them. Look at this. Look at all the beans down there. I need to pick them and find something to do with them. I don't know if I want to can them or cook them fresh or do a mix. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but it does look like we have some kind of... I did plant a single squash, and I guess my squash took off. Wow, I was not expecting that. So that's fun. But anyway, yeah, all of this, beans. Volunteer beans. All right, let's go to the tomatoes. I'll just run through the tomatoes quickly because it's mostly weeds. We've got lavender here, a lot of weeds that I need to pick. We've got a rosemary plant over there. These are Amish paste tomatoes. We got that one there. I think this is also Amish paste. And then these over here, we've got some Bonnie Best tomatoes. They're doing pretty well. Got some more. I think these might be beefsteak. So we've got that. And this is the bed of tomatoes that we did not get to yet. But it does look like we've got tomatoes though. So I should handle this. We also, I think these are the white currant tomatoes. But yeah, we're gonna handle this either tonight or tomorrow night. It's quite a mess. We got some rain and it really took off, which is fine, but I need to at least trim this stuff back. At least a little bit. Trim it back. Oh look, I think there's several tomatoes down here. I can see in there. There's one there. There's some in there. I don't know if anyone can see those. We do have several tomatoes. We have an entire bed of dill that was all volunteer. Great, fantastic. Love that for me. And then we've got my grapes, which I did nothing with this year. And then we'll go look at our fruit trees really fast. All right, this was our Fuji apple tree. It did not give us a single apple this year. That's fine. That is totally fine. This is the Freedom apple tree, of which we actually have quite a few apples on. Look at all of them. This one is really, this tree is really doing a lot this year. And then over here we have our peach tree, which we did have 3 peaches, and I think the squirrels got 2 of them. We did get 1. It was delicious. It was fantastic, but this one is done for the season. And then this guy right here is also a peach tree, but we literally just planted it this year, so he's got a long way to go. But other than that, yeah, that's the whole garden. It's really hot today. We do have a hydrangea, if anyone would like to see our hydrangea that has a single bloom on. But yeah, that's our hydrangea, and that's the garden. I'll probably update everyone in like another month, and this will probably even be more of a mess. So that's that. Next video is probably going to be a lavender farm, and then making pepperoncinis from the shishito peppers. Maybe some other stuff. We've got a lot going on. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!